Hello, this is a video tour of 636 8th Avenue, a beautiful Edwardian flat located in the heart of the inner Richmond. This is the exterior of the building. It's located on a very quiet street. 636 has been completely renovated. You walk into this stunning Edwardian unit. Over here to the left is the living room. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This is a wonderful heater, fireplace heater. You have privacy glass on the lower pane. This place has been completely renovated. First bedroom here to the left. The bedrooms are all located off the street, so it is extremely quiet. You have a nice closet in here that goes all the way back. Okay, so down the hall, just a little bit here, is the second bedroom. Here you have a closet that goes back here. This is a great room for a guest room or a home office if you're still working from home. Okay, so here we have a nice big linen closet. This flat has a split bath. So here is the bathtub and shower combination. Beautiful fixtures. These are towel hooks. Nice big shower head. And right next door is the toilet, and there is a nice sink as well. And all the fixtures match throughout. Okay, so here is the third bedroom. This one faces the garden. And you have a good-sized closet here as well. Okay, this kitchen is amazing. It's been recently renovated. You have a gas range, dishwasher, refrigerator, lots of cabinet and counter space, and there's plenty of room for a kitchen island or breakfast table in the kitchen. You also have private laundry machines. These are large stackable machines and tables that fold open and down for folding clothes. You also have direct access to a big, beautiful shared yard. If you're interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.